Most of you remember my hosting a review video where I discussed in detail about what is Hostinger about, what is the con of hosting, what are the pros of hosting, buying hosting from Hostinger, how my experience of using Hostinger probably for around an year, and what changes I felt, what are the positives, what are the negatives, and how is the customer support. I also discussed about some of the complaints, feedback, and different things about Hostinger. And today my video is about some of the common very popular coupon discount codes you can get for Hostinger and avail special discounts. So in case if you have not yet bought hosting from Hostinger and looking to buy, then this video is going to be a blessing for you, because I'm going to reveal 4 awesome Hostinger discount codes, or you can say Hostinger coupon codes, through which you can get awesome discounts, and I will show you in live. But for that you will need to use a special link which I will show you, and it will be also included in the description section of the video so that you don't miss out on it. So here is the link, and this is the link you can also see in the description. So what you have to do is you have to click on this link, or like here, press this link, and have to wait a few seconds because my internet, there is a slight internet issue, so it's loaded. So once you are being loaded on this page, this is a special link. This already has a huge discount. If you use my link, you will already get an exclusive discount, but with this discount, if you use my link, I will give you another 4 codes which will work to give you additional discount. So with my link you are going to get free domain as well. So let's say if you avail for this offer, let's say, although you can avail any offer you like, in case if you want to, even this offer can also work, but let's say because this has 100 websites option, let's say if you are going to go with this option, so you can see that once you select this, and over here there is an option of have a coupon code. So here you are going to use these coupon codes which I am going to tell you. So let's start with the first one. The first one is a GRABON. You have to write it over here, and see it has given discount. All okay, you can see it at the price with and without is a different. The next is this one. You can see again this one is giving further discount. Here is another one. You can see this one is even giving more better discount over discount. And this one is also one of the best one. And you can see again that your price is already discounted. So what you have to do is you have to use this link, and this will change the price. Okay, the good thing about this coupon is that this coupon can be used on any package you like. Let's say if you want to offer this package, you can again get this coupon already giving you already a good discount. Okay, so even with any offer you want to go, this will make it work. So let's say if you want to offer this one, even this will work on this one as well. So just let me show you on this. Although because Hostinger I'm personally using for my main blog, and I'm so far very good, very satisfied with this, and you also get a free domain with first year. So let's say if I open here, I'm going to write this, and boom, you get a discount. So these are the 4 coupons here: GRABON, HEDUCATE, Fall 19, and DJ Max. If you use these 4 links provide on the special link which I have given you, you can find that link in the description, top of the description and the first comments box, and just click on that link and use these coupons, and you will be able to grab a special discount deal on Hostinger. So don't forget and miss this deal, because this is an exclusive deal for my audience, for my YouTube followers, for my social media friends. So I don't want you guys to miss this offer, because I have generated this generate these coupons on a special request. So guys, I will be looking forward, in case if you want to buy Hostinger, buy from this link and get these special discounts. With this, I like to end my video. Thank you for watching my video, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will be giving further offers, discounts, deals like these in my videos. So don't forget to miss those. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.